Hello and welcome to Expo TV 2008. As you can see, we're outside the RAI Centre in Amsterdam. Temperature's dropping, it's getting quite cold here. However, inside it's getting quite hot. A lot of the exhibitors are very interested, very excited about Expo TV and the screens that we've got there. And we're getting a lot of feedback, really positive feedback about how Nexus is working and how easy it is to put together a digital signage solution on the hoof. What I'd like to ask you, George, is, tell us your thoughts on this wonderful show.
In terms of the Expo TV platform, I think it's been a year building the sort of ideas to get this system to this sort of size. We've come in partnership with support and sponsors alike. We've developed a large 48-screen system, arguably the largest in Europe, if not the world. Hopefully to be a first here at ISE.
ISE is a very visual show, and we see what Expo TV is doing with IPTV, digital signage, etc. It's very part of the technology that we show. I'm always very aware that as a show organizer, we should actually be using the technology that we're actually showing here as well, rather than something which is old hat.
I'd like to talk to you this morning, obviously, how ISE is for Sony this year and any new developments and products that you have for the show.
Sure, well, I think needless to say, everybody who's here will have noticed how much it's grown. So the scale of it is it's fantastic to see it growing. It's becoming, I think, ever more important for business-to-business types of professional audio-video applications. Sony is this year showing a whole range of high-definition equipment for business applications. Believe it or not, we've been selling HD for the consumer for up to 25 years now, and we've been very present in consumer applications, we've been very present in broadcast applications, and now we're bringing a whole suite of HD products to business applications. So that's what we're about here, bringing to the workplace high-definition applications.
The type of receiver that we're using for Expo TV are twin display receivers, meaning that they've got dual audio and dual video outputs feeding two back-to-back displays from one Cat5 receiver. Okay. And we have a whole line of Cat5 extension gear plus switching and distribution to fit any layout all the way out to 2,000 feet away from the source. Magenta is well known as the industry leader in this area.
Welcome to Expo TV 2008. I'm stood here with Sina de Vos. Did I get that right?
Sina de Vos.
Sina de Vos. Nearly got it right. We're actually running Screen Expo here.
Yeah.
As you can see, we've got 48 screens around the venue here. It's running Nexus software, which we also manufacture and deliver. And we just wonder, what your thoughts were, what you thought of the Expo TV and the TVs around the place.
Well, I think it's a great idea. Live pictures, seeing some of the exhibitors and Mike Blackman, I've seen quite a lot. Yeah, I think it's a great idea.
Yeah.
We delivered the 24 stands on which the 48 Samsung screens are mounted, and for us it's a perfect opportunity to show the stands to all system integrators and big hire companies also outside our country.
Do appreciate your time this afternoon,
Yep.
and look forward to a great show.
Yeah, we also look forward.
Excellent.
And we'd like to also thank Expo TV for this big opportunity for us.
I'd like to welcome Mark Sluice, the sales manager for Samsung Display Solutions. Hello, Mark.
Hello, George.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good. I'd like to have a conversation with you, chat to you about the sponsorship and partnership that Samsung have greatly provided for us.
Yes, we are very pleased to supply your company with the screens, with the displays. It's about 48 pieces on this event, so it's quite a number. And in this case, we can show our products with your content, and our products meets displays of Samsung. Of course, the new line we have is the DX model, so it's very nice to show it on this event.
Has Samsung been involved in anything quite like this before?
No, that's why we are supporting you very strongly, because we believe in your new concept, and we haven't encountered anything like this. Of course, digital signage is a very booming business, an interesting business, and it's very dynamic. So we as Samsung want to be as dynamic as possible. And with your solution, with your mobile solution, we can show that we want to support it as well. We believe in it, absolutely, yeah.
Could you tell me a little bit about the technology that you've used in, on the Expo platform?
Oh, yes, thank you. Panphonics directional speakers are based on really an innovation from our company, and it's really a plane wave technology, which is a physical phenomenon of reproducing audio. And that gives directional properties to audio, and thus we can use this technology in these kind of applications like Expo TV platform and other digital signage networks where the high directionality is essential.